Bye! We're going to Japan! Yeah!
Cabin crew to landing stations.
We're landing! We're landing! We're landing! We are now touchdown Fukuoka! The stroller is outside pa. Yes! Okay, we're gonna do our room tour. Our room this time, it's quite big in Japan standards. Like, see, may stroller dyan, pero kasha. And then, ang luwag pa dito. And then we have a desk, a cabinet, air purifier, TV, and I think this one is a queen-size bed. So, perfect sa amin kasi si Gia ay nagko-co-sleep with us. Gia! How do you like Japan so far? Okay. Okay, let's see the bathroom. Ayun, ang bathroom, yung typical. It's kind of small. Shucks, paano natin paliliguan si Gia dito ang lalim ng tub? Uy, si Gia baka malaglag dun Yeah, pero bigger yung room. Hi, baby!
Noon mo na.
Okay, dahil nakalimutan ko kasing magdala ng diaper. Great, mom. Bibili kami ng diaper dito. So, we're searching for diapers. So, wala kami nakita dun sa pharmacy. So, we're going first to KFC to get food. Take out lang muna kasi magagabi na. I mean, it's almost 10 p.m. here. Tapos, baka fingers crossed sana meron sa mga konbini. And this girl is so dal-dal. Back home, eating KFC takeaway. Cheers! Cheers! It's our favorite waffle burger. She is having coleslaw. Yay! Gia, good morning! Gia, gusto mo dyan? Nakatayo ka lang? Good morning. We are now in Isetan. Char, hindi ko anong tawag ito. Nishitetsu Expressway Bus Terminal.
Good.
And we're having our breakfast. Gia is also having her breakfast. Where's Gia?
Where is Gia?
Where's
Gia?
Where's Gia? Eat, Gia. Oh, sige. Oh, you want food? Ang gusto niya eh. Tinapay. Wow! Yum, yum, yum! Init? Mainit ba? Medyo mainit eh. Ikaw, what are you eating? Show them. What's that?
Soy sauce, tuna, mayo. Nandun yung mayo. Ayan o, ayan o. Kita mo yung mayo. Ayan o.
Masarap ba? Natin mamala.
Sarap.
Gusto ko yung dito. Andun nga. Kanin yung gusto mong pakain. Ganun mo naman. Yan. Sarap. You want pa? Where are we going? We're going to Tosa Premium Outlets today. Yes, because Daddy and Mommy are gonna buy Are now here in Tosi, and first agenda ko is maghanap ng area where we can nurse and change diaper and just look what I found in the information center. May diapers dito. Hanap pa kami ng hanap ng diapers. Meron palang vending machine dito. And then look how awesome this is. Grabe. Philippines could never. May diaper changing. And then there's a nursing room as well. See? Ay, nako. Anyway, we're just waiting for Jerry because he has the money. And kailangan daw coins. Ang pambayad, it's 200, 230. Here's Gia. She's eating. Start na ng libot while the baby is sleeping. Maganda dito yung Ultra Boost. It's on sale. This one, 30% off. This one is nice too. Ito yung tinignan ni Jerry. Okay, ang hirap ng mag-vlog kasi nagising na siya. Ayan siya. Tapos, gusto ko lang talagang i-share to. Grabe. I think ganito na yung mga pupuntahan ko talaga. Tadaan! My God, Kate Spade for kids! I'm gonna buy you something! Yay!
Ito.
Gia, tingin nga ako.
Wow.
Ganda ba yan? Ganda yan, Gia? Lunchtime. We bought it from here. And then, tulog na siya after feeding her. Time to eat. Life of a mom. Ganito na. Ating ginagawa.
At least isang kamay na kailangan mo dyan.
That's how we do it. As a mom.
Baka madumihan lang sa'yo.
Medyo mabagal lang tayo makain.
Okay, kain na ako guys. Bye.
Nalagay ko to. Guys, ang sarap. Gusto ko lang din itagdag. Meron sila dito mga utensils for kids. So, this place is baby friendly. I love it. Ayan, tulog pa din siya. I bought this one, and I couldn't decide which one to get. Pero most likely dito ako babagsak. Gia, Mommy is buying. Mommy is buying shoes.
Thank you.
Merienda time. We're going to buy Crazy Crab. Which flavor do you want, Gia? Wala tayong naiintindihan. Oh, which one do you want? Which one do you want?
This one. Eh?
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one, this
extra.
30.
Yes. Tingin, let me see. Look at the big strawberry, Gia. Wow! Engi na daw. Oh my gosh, she's going for it. Bupo ka na. Oh. Daddy, give her strawberry daw. You like, ay! Nag-dance pa siya! Anak nga kita. Nagtuwag pa ng bata, oh.
Sabay
Yum!
natin.
Ha?
Kasabay natin.
Ayan ba yan? Ah, Gia, more pa, more.
Wow.
Mauubos na yung strawberry, hindi pa tayo nakakagat. Gia, where's the flower? Where's the flower? There's the flower. Ah, Are you... Are you tired? Smell the flower, smell. There's our order. Oh, here's yours. Okay, 50 na kami. Nawala na akong battery. So, we'll continue with Jerry's phone. Go. Last chance to win. Are we gonna win? Agasha phone. 4, 5. Let's see. Gia, are we gonna win? Ito na naman. Yay! We won!
Tuwa.
Ay! Are you happy, Gia? We won! Yay! That's yours!
Buksan ba natin?
Open mo na. Yay! Gia won! Gia, look, oh, this is your toy. What's that? It's a pin. It's a pin.
Volleyball.
I don't know. Wala akong alam sa anime. Yay! Gia, we won! Clap, clap, clap! Babato niya yan. Uy! Iba mo. Tago mo na muna mamaya na. Okay, let's go na! Let's pay! We are walking back home and we're passing by Nakasa River. At talaga sasadyain namin yung bridge na yun. Look at Gia. Yay! Okay, let's go. Good morning! Gia. Good morning, vlog! It's our day 3. Nakaligo na si mommy and time check. It's already 8 a.m. Kagigising lang niya. 10 hours of sleep. Yay! Gia, are you happy? Are you happy? Huh? Oh. Sit ka dyan. Gia. Gia. Hoy.
Are you happy?
Are you happy? Kiss mo nga si Kupi if you're happy. Oy, good morning, Kupi. Good morning, guys. We are now. Yes, we're gonna buy breakfast. We are in Family Mart. So we're gonna buy our breakfast here. Of course, our favorite na Sammy Chicky. And getting 2 and then 1 sandwich. At ang aking favorite dito ay ang teriyaki chicken and egg. Alam mo, nag-iisa na pala siya. Ay, hindi, dalawa siya. Ay, isa pa siya. Chia. Hi. May pag-inglagan pa kasi. At ang bilis niya for a third lang.
Hello, welcome.
Nabangga siya.
Wawag naman. Parang siya.
Pumunta kami ng Marquis for this. And this. Unahin ng shopping kasi sa team lang. Let's go. Guys, I'm so happy. Nakarating na ako ng Babies R Us. Pero yung baby ko tulog pa din. So, now we're going to Babies R Us and bibili ako ulit ng diaper. Then, dikat kami dito. Saks, parang buong araw yata kami dito sa Marcos. Ang dami pang toys dito na. Pang age ni Gia. I really want to buy her a Miffy toy. Yung kasi ang alam kong, ano dito, character. This is so cute! So, bilang si Gia ng mga ganitong electronics, pero kasi at the same time, parang ayoko kasi gusto ko Montessori style. So, mga wooden, ganyan, toys. Tapos, mukha lang akong walang kulay kasi wala akong lip tint kasi naiiwan ko pala ata sa hotel. I think I wanna buy this for Gia. Shucks guys, parang gusto ko nito for Gia. It's 15,000 yen, so medyo kamahalan. Pwede rin to Winnie the Pooh or this one. This one is 11,879. Ito 10,999, so it's almost 11. A bike. Shucks. My beige mom era. I wanna buy that. Hanap ako ng diapers. Grabe, ang dami dito. Na-overwhelm ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko. Like, ano bang magandang brand? My mommy self is so happy. Ito yung binibili namin, yung Mary's. But I'm not really sure kung okay yan talaga. So far, walang leaks. Pero, I probably wouldn't buy it as an overnight diaper. Kasi may amoy eh. So, I don't like it. I'm thinking if I should get this Mami Poco one or this diaper. Kasi ang cute lang ng packaging. Okay, gising na ang aming alaga. Papipiliin na namin siya ng gusto niya na Pokemon. O, Gia, choose your, ano ba tawag doon? Pokemon. Which one do you like? Huwag mong takpan si Squirtle. Gitna mo yan.
Si Squirtle.
Sino ba to? Oh, but anyway, Gia, choose. Which one do you want? Pili ka na.
What do you want?
The fire, the water, ano nga to?
Yes.
Earth. Ay, grass. Oh, Gia, sino gusto mo?
What do you want? What do you
Sino?
want? Go.
Get mo, get. Which one?
Get.
This one? This one, this one, this one, this one. Sino? Which one do you want? Get.
Green,
Oh, the green one. The grass type ka. Ha? Ay, ito yung pinaka-ayoko eh.
Mapili pa tayo.
Pinapamili na lang namin siya ng kung ano-ano. Kasi sumigaw siya nung nakita niya itong mga to. Pikachu or, siyempre pipili niya yung favorite color niya, yellow.
What do you want?
Oh, which one do you want? Gia,
What do you want, Gia?
sino gusto mo? Which one? Get. O, diba?
Pikachu.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Basta yellow gusto niya eh. Pikachu!
Pikachu talaga dito sa bata.
Hey guys, ito na ang aming damage. But, nakasuccess kami ng diaper. Ito yung napili kong diaper na bilhin. Tsaka, 10,800 yen ako. So, I think around 4 or 5, I guess. Tapos, kailangan natin pilit ang diaper ni Gia. Public amenity na mall na to. Ito. Let's go inside. So many, mga dalawa. Yan, tatlo. Then, here's the diaper change. Ay, kaya pong katugat sa Pilipinas. I'm so happy. My mommy heart is so happy. Gia, punta tayong diaper. Stretch! Stretch! Stretch ka na!
Yes!
Okay, pantay na ito. Bicycle kicks na, bicycle. Bicycle kicks. Bicycle kicks. Palit na tayong diaper, no?
Gusto mo maglaro dito, Gia? Kaya mo na kami?
Iwan ka muna namin. Ayun. Gusto sa may mga bata.
Gia. Gia. Go to mommy. Go, go. Go, 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 Gia.
Watching siya ng aching.
Gia.
We're supposed to go to Team Lab this afternoon after lunch. After mag-shopping dito. Pero it's already, time check. Ano oras na? 1:30? Hindi pa kami do lunch. Hindi pa kami pupunta ng Team Lab. We're here. Yeah.
We are now in a food court because we're about to have lunch at 2 o'clock. Our lunch has arrived. Ayan, may takoyaki tayo on the side. It's curry for lunch. Okay.
Let's open. Medyo mahirap tong gawin ng one hand lang, ha?
Okay. Let's eat. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Kain tayo. We are now in Nishi Matsuya and look at this baby girl. She is in the car. Yes. Okay. Gia. What's that? Hi, Gia. Hi.
Ngayon, i-interviewin natin si Gia Bear. Di ba, Coca? Kausapin natin si Gia. Okay? Let's go. Hi, Gia. Hello. Kamusta? Ha? Huwag kang ngingiti-ngiti dyan sa pakangkila. Ah!
May nag-doorbell. Oh my God, may nag-doorbell. Hi, Gia. I'm Kopi. Kiss. Mama, mama, mama.
夏が楽しくなる GU のワンピースコレクションぜひチェックしてみてください
Gia, what is that? That's a cat. Look, pakita mo yung cat. No, it's not sleeping. Oh, this is a dog. It's a Yorkie. Tama ba? Yeah, it's a Yorkie. 390,000. Hello, dog.
So guys, talagang dito na kami pumunta. Whole day, hindi na kami pumunta somewhere else. And nipit lang kami sa katabing building.
For this, kasi bibila namin ng dogs ng pasalubong. So there's Gia. Hello! Oh, hindi yan. Bichon Frise yan ata. Is this a Bichon? Ay, looks like Kuya Tofu. And Ate Soya. Gia, Gia, you like the dog?
Hello.
Hello! Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Hello, ang cute nito, oh. Ay,
60 lang siya. Oh.
Gia, oh, hold mo. Ay, look at the dog siya, no? Tingnan mo siya.
Ayan, mura na isa.
Good morning! So we have arrived at our first stop, which is Nanzun Temple.
See, here we're passing through the bridge na may sound, pero ayan, nakuha pala ni Huffs. Oh, go. From here ba? Okay. Go. Wala ata yun. Doon lang. Ito, yan. We are now in Nanzun Temple. There's the Buddha. Grabe. May stairs pala. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? There's Daddy. Daddy's taking photos. Ayan na. Make a wish. Sabi nila, this is connected to the Buddha's hand. So if you wanna make a wish to touch this, hindi ko lang alam kung dapat hilahin ko siya. Charot. Hindi ko alam. Make a wish. Gia.
Kaya hold.
Gia, hold me yan.
Yan.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
May sinabi si ano eh. Iba-iba siya eh.
Hi, flowers! Okay, let's go na. Okay, let's go. $500 yen. Okay.
Okay, hindi kami masyadong makapag-intro ng vlog ng maayos, but we are now here at our second stop, which is
Ano ba ito? Beppu.
the Sea of Hell na Beppu. Kasi maraming hot springs. So we are here in the Sea of Hell.
mo
Gia, oh!
medyas mo.
Gia! Vlog ka na.
And this is, ito yung bungad. Ito yung entrance. Medyo kakaiba yung amoy, but okay naman. It's nice, no? So peaceful. Hey! Hi! Finally, our first stop here in Japan.
Ano isa?
So there's a shop here and we bought this drink. It's a lemon sorbet and something soda. Try namin for the sake of trying. Ito daw yung steam sa hot spring, I think. So we're gonna try this egg. Gia, you wanna try this egg? Okay, let's open it. Okay, I've opened it now. Oh, Gia, you wanna try? Try. Gia, try. Di mo naman nakagat kasi wala kang ngipin. Ayun!
Kaya kita
Yes!
igitim.
Abangan ko. May lasa. May lasa siya kahit walang ano. Asin. Diba? Oo, itlog. Pero may lasa siya. Gia. Taste mo to.
Nam, nam, nam.
Ay, ayaw na niya. Ay, tara, my love. This is chicken thigh.
Sabi daw, masakit.
Sayo ka? Hello! Hello! Siya oh! Ako? It's Peter Rabbit! It's Peter Rabbit! Hi! Go, go! Go!
Okay.
Gia, bigay!
Gia.
Gia, give! Give mo yan sa, ano, goat. Give! Give mo sa goat. Give mo! Tinitis eh! Again, again. Oh, last two. Yung iba naman dun.
Gia, hold you.
Hi! Gia, give! Wow!
Aggressive ka, ha? That's all.
Bigay mo. Pipicturean ko. And, wag itong puti. Ayan yung maliit. Ito, to. Yan. Yay! We are now in Kinrin Lake.
Bukirin lang to, bukirin.
Ang saya niya. Oh, hi, fish! Papark namin ng sasakyan namin. We are going to Miffy Forest. Miffy is my favorite character. Let's see if we can buy something. Anong bread yan?
Mango. LB.
We're buying this. Ice cream, you want ice cream? Drink. This one. Bamboo charcoal. Daddy is buying strawberries. Thank you. I love thinking.
Wala. Okay. Mukhang maganda yung strawberry nila dito.
Yay! Yes.
Because I have an on with me.
Oh gosh. Eating at the parking. Sarap to, in fairness. Look at this Miffy bread. Gio, patikin mo sa kanya. Go.
Oh, Gia. Bite ka.
Bite mo yung ears. Bite mo yung ears, no? Bite the ears.
Hey! Ay, napuputol. Go, bite.
Go, bite.
Bite. Yeah, bite.
Wow.
Ayaw eh.
Kagatan mo.
Matigas na ako kasi.
You're now in Dazaifu, our last stop. Original ata yung red bean nila eh. So we will wash our hands first before entering. Oh, dear. Let's wash.
It's up here.
Other hand. Other hand. Lamig. Sarap parang. So naglaglag na kami ng 100 yen. It's honesty something. So, Gia get any. Yan. Si Gia ang namili ng aming fortune. Yay! Okay, let's open. Your turn. Ano? Pumili ka ng... Diyan ka din? Pwede ka sa iba? Okay. Kasabay tayo mag-open na. Gia, let's open this. May numbering yan eh, ng fortune.
Sige, paano naiintindihin yan?
Wow! Shock! Sobrang naiintindihan ko. Kailangan natin ng Google Translate.
So,
You need your phone. Wala nang battery yung phone ko. So, we're gonna have dinner here. The line isn't so bad. Wala pa kaming 10 minutes. Ayan. Just over it. Trying Chin Chin Ramen for the first time. So, itikman ko na gamit ang spoon ni Gia. Ang sarap, my love. Parang tinola. Yummy? Marunong na siya mag-sip ng soup. Kasi bumabalik. Yummy? Yummy? Ang payat ng gyoza nila. I'll give you back. O, ikaw naman. Take mama from here. Tinola, right? Ay, nakataas pa yung paa. Tense. So, we came from there, and nandun yung bus stop. So, we're now just walking. We're going first to Marine World, I think, sa aquarium. Kasi sakto na siya sa gising ni Gia, but she's still sleeping. So, let's go. The weather is perfect, I think, kasi it's sunny. It's not gonna rain today according to forecast. Pero malamig yung hangin. So, hindi man ako pinapawisan. Ikaw, pinapawisan ka na?
Konti.
Well, pinapawisan ka na?
Konti.
Oh, hindi. Okay.
Hindi ba?
Yeah. Oh, wag mo naman ako tanggalan. So, there is the aquarium. That's Marine World. Dahil pupunta na tayo sa aquarium. Pag nag-first birthday si Gia, hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Safari Park na lang. Ang sinasabi mo, sabi ko, ang ganda no, no? Yung parang puro, ano yan? It's palm tree, right? Oh, tapos kanya naglalakad dyan. Ang ganda, tumambay. Ang sabi mo, after mo dyan,
Sizzling ka na.
sizzling na daw.
Sizzling.
No, malamig naman. It's just that mangingitim ka lang. So, we're walking. Still walking. Gia, good morning! Where are you? You're in Marine World na. Someone is awake. Saya niya, Okay. This is upon entrance where we're figuring out where to go. Pero ilalagay muna namin si Gia sa stroller. Look, there's a dolphin! My love, dito pa na daming restaurant eh. Look! Gia, look! There's a dolphin! Enlightenment. Hi, dolphin! Wow! We are in the Penguin Beach. Look, Gia, there's a penguin. Gia, look. They're swimming. Hi. Yeah. Hi! Ang galing naman ni Gia. Ayun na yun sa nagsiswim. Gia, they're swimming! Gia! Arigatou gozaimasu. With a view. Yay! Gia, we're gonna eat na ng lunch. Okay, we're gonna order our lunch now. Which one do you want? May normal and large size. Ah, this one. Okay, large na. So, ito na nga po.
Nabudol na kami, guys.
Wala na kaming kainan eh. Dito yan. Our food has arrived! Ayan. Mine has cheese. Jerry's food has something cream on the top.
Cheese din.
Ah, cheese din ba yan? And then here's Gia. Gia, say hi. We are having lunch here sa my Marine World. So, may view kami ng dolphin swimming. Halika na, let's eat, let's eat. Let's pray. Okay. Hindi ko na alam kung saan kami pupunta, but what I'm sure is we're going to umino na kami Seaside Park. And we have just left Marine World. Medyo na-disappoint ako or naliitan lang ako kasi I'm comparing it to Cebu Ocean Park and Manila Ocean Park. Parang mas malaki pa yun sa atin compared to here. So, parang ang bilis lang namin. Like, siguro 1 hour. 1 hour is enough to explore the whole place. So, yan. It's currently almost 3, I think. Then, pupunta kami doon. Lalakad kami sa araw, but it's not hot at all kasi nga mahangin and it's cold. Ay, nag-holding hands pa ang mag-ama. Ay, nagagata si Gia. Hindi kami naka-rent ng bicycle kasi they're all rented out.
Wala kaming choice kundi maglakad ngayon. Tulog na rin ulit siya. Second nap of the day. So, ang stroller ay bit-bit lang namin. Sobrang cool. May outdoor theater and amusement area. Sobrang laki na to. I'd suggest more than half a day ang i-allot for this place. Look, ang dami nagsasyko. There's hubs. Guys, sobrang laki niya as in, like, ito, like, wala pa to sa 1/4, I think. Pero ang cool. Ang daming batang naglalaro. Babalik kami dito with Gia when she gets a bit older. Look, ang dami. May mga nagpipiknik, may nakatent, may mga playgrounds. I love it. Pero siya tulog pa din. So, sana pagdating namin sa Hill of Flowers, gising na siya. Kasi, ang saya. Haba lang nalalakarin namin. Okay ka pa, my love? Okay ka pa? Sure ka? Hi, you're awake na. Good morning! Move mo daw! Gian! Let's open. Tadaan! Okay, guys. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Nawala lahat ng sinabi ko. Na-stop ko pala. Anyway, what I was saying, today is a bit drizzling. Yung weather, maulan ata all day. So, we're just gonna go shopping. And besides, tomorrow is our last day. And we only have until 4 p.m. tomorrow. So, tomorrow, mag-tour na lang kami. Like, team lab na dapat gagawin namin noong day 3. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Today, shopping talaga. Dito ba? Okay. So, we're just gonna get breakfast and then go to Lalaport. Then go back to Hakata for more shopping. Bibili ako shoes. And here's Gia. Shopping tayo today. We are in, I think this one is already the Tenjin Underground Mall. I'm not really sure. Where? Right? Oh, here's Boulange. Do you want food? Here? Which one do you want? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one? Look, they have so many donuts. Let's get, para pala siyang tray. This is their bestsellers, I think. Croissant. My love, what did you get so far?
Don't know.
Croissant, is that for Gia?
Croissant yung number 1.
Ah. I will buy here because this is Ito King. Can we buy this? Ito ba yung may bilog, may tinapay, or yung ganon? May tinapay na? Are you vlogging? Hi! Guys, ang cool touchless. Ito na naman po kami. Nasa baby store na naman kami ni Gia. Ayun, ayan, Oh, wow! Wow! Diba? This is Akachan Honpo, I think. Basta AH yung nakalagay.
Okay, we're going now to Daddy. Here's our food.
And naman bumili si Jer. I'm not sure what he got, but kukain na daw yan.
Grabe, sobrang full. Kasi,
花钱了，花钱免费了，
water. I don't understand.
得用钱呗，得花钱呗。
So, we're gonna have lunch here. Gia is drinking water. Ganito kami. Tadaan! And then just right here, merong kids park. Okay, go Gia! 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 Wow! Ito talaga yung gusto ko. But it's out of stock. So, we're just gonna get, ano ba yun? Ito. Special na chocolate. Magmi-merienda na kami. Okay. Halika na tayo. Yeah, let's go. Let me see the goodness. We bought naman chocolate crepe. Hala, yung anak mo gusto. Oh, may ice cream pala. Hala, yung anak mo humihingi. Uy, Gia. Dito pwede sa'yo. Eh. Go, my love. Go, my love. Go, my love. Oh, no. One more, one more. Perfect yung pagkakakuliman ni. Isa mo na lang kaya doon.
Nahihirap siya. Nakalayo pa natin.
Sorry.
Okay, bye.
Hindi, kaya mo yan, my love. Go, my love. Go, my love. Lord, sana po makuha na po namin. Oh, shit! Ano itong batang to? Gia, are you enjoying? Wow! Tagal ko na yata hindi na-vlog, but we are now here in Don Quixote in Kenjin. And so far, ito po lang nabibili namin. Wala naman masyadong kailangan bilhin. Puro snacks lang and some stuff. Kasi nabili na namin yung mga skincare eh. Itong batang to, in fairness, matagal. Hindi pa kami nag-dinner din. Are you hungry? Talaga? So, McDo ba tayo? McDo and Mr. Donut combo. What's this? Bakit siya 3 for 80? Dalawa siya. Oh gosh, tatlo! Good morning! It's our last day!
She's already awake and we're eating strawberries. Oh, give mo na si mommy. Give. Gia. Thank you. At ako yung pinapakain mo.
Cannot go inside because I'm carrying Gia. So, mag-rounds na lang kami ni Jere. He'll come out, tapos ako naman.
Eh, malaki siya.
May crab mo.
Iba yung nakuha mo?
Iba ito. Division na rin ako.
Gee, are you okay? Do you see it? You see this? Yay! Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Okay. We can't go through or pass through that attraction kasi kids or babies are not allowed.
So, diretso kami sa kabila. Gia, look! Wow! Look at the flower! Gia, look at the flower! Where's the frog? And the snake. Oh no, there's a snake! So ayan, may area dito where we can draw. There, you can draw a frog. What's that? Ayoko naman. Butterfly ba? Tingin. Tayong tingin ko kanina langgam. Ayan, sige. Ay, butterfly na lang.
Butterfly ka.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay, look, oh. Look. Oh my gosh, ayan na.
This is Gia.
Gia, look at you. There.
Sa akin. Kasi kita-kita yun eh.
Jose.
Ayan si Gia. Isip bata.
Wow. I think this is the last one. We did this after namin mag team lab. We're just waiting for the photo to come out. Ta-da! This is what we're gonna eat for our last lunch here. Sana walang pila at may chair. I don't know the name, so yun na lang. That one. Wow, that's a mentaiko. We got the hanmen set. This is chukamen and then the rice meal na mentaiko. Let's give this a try.
Maalat siya.
Parang siya nila ng sauce.
May sauce. Okay. Masarap siya may sauce.
Okay, ito ang pinunta namin. Tadaan! That is buying chocolate! Last dessert before we go! Okay.
Grabe, ano yan? Ang damang dalawa. Tulog na ang bata.
Time check, I think it's already 5:30. We're here at the airport. 8 o'clock yung flight namin. Sana pwede pa. 3 luggages and 1 stroller. Gia, say bye na to Japan. Bye Japan, we're going home. I love you.
Ayaw mo ba uwi? Muntik na kami mag-rebook.
We'll see you on our next trip in 2 months. Bye!